let's unbox these eye and cheek contour patches together. So this is Collagen Eye and Cheek Contour Patches by Karuna, and they say that they're a maximum coverage design, so I'm excited to check. Usually with these types of things they get a little jostled in the shipping. I see, so we do have these nice large size pieces. This is going to cover up like my whole entire hand. Oh, that feels really nice. So it's going to be 2 of these in there. I'm not going to take out the other one, but that does feel really nice. These could actually stay on your face overnight. They probably won't slip around like the smaller ones would. Definitely feels very moisturizing, very lightweight, not too sticky. Can't wait to put these on my eyes and see how it feels. Check these out. They have hydrolyzed collagen, 9 different types of peptides, 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, and CICA. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. So the directions for these are to start with freshly cleansed skin, gently remove the backings and place patches under the eyes and the less curved edge facing the nose, adjust comfortably to cover the entire cheek region, and it says to wear overnight or at least 30 minutes or at least 20 minutes before removing. I usually like to wear these before I go out or I have an event or something like that. So let's unbox and see what we're working with. So this comes with 4 pairs. You have the same instructions on the back. We'll open one of them up.